This ugly root feeds millions. Inside America's biggest plant, we reveal how.
It begins not with grain, but with a root. This is cassava, and in this giant U.S. plant,
Freshly harvested roots arrive by the ton, ready for their industrial transformation. The first step is a vigorous pre-wash to remove soil, stones, and field debris. The inedible outer peel is mechanically removed, revealing the starchy, white inner flesh. A final manual inspection ensures only clean, high-quality roots move forward. A thorough final wash ensures the roots are perfectly clean before processing. The roots are ground into a wet mash, breaking down the cellular structure to release the starch.
For traditional sour cassava flour, the pulp is fermented. This develops flavor and begins to break down natural compounds.
Immense pressure is applied to remove as much water as possible from the pulp, leaving a damp cake. What remains is a damp cassava cake, ready for the next critical step, drying.
The cake is broken into small, even pieces to create a large surface area for efficient and uniform drying.
The granules enter a flash dryer, where they are exposed to a stream of very hot air for a very short time.
This rapid drying process preserves the starch quality and prevents clumping, crucial for a fine flour.
What emerges is completely dry, brittle cassava granule, ready for milling. The granules are milled into a fine powder and sifted to achieve the perfect, consistent particle size for cooking and baking. The finished flour is stored in dedicated silos, protected from moisture and contaminants.
Quality control is continuous. Technicians test moisture content and purity to ensure a safe, stable, and high-quality product.
On high-speed packaging lines, flour is weighed and filled into retail bags with perfect accuracy.
Bags are sealed for freshness and coated for complete traceability back to the source batch. Every single bag is checked for correct weight and scanned for any foreign metal objects. Robotic packers place bags into boxes with speed and precision, optimizing the supply chain.
Boxes are automatically built into warehouse-ready pallets.
From here, the flour is distributed to grocery stores and food manufacturers across the country. The final product, a pure, gluten-free flour with a neutral taste and fine texture, ready for the kitchen.
this is where the factory meets modern diets, providing a versatile, gluten-free staple for millions of kitchens.
From root to flour, it's a story of agricultural adaptation and food engineering on an industrial scale.